Hi, it's Deborah Harris here and I'm back with another cash flow tip of the day. Today's cash flow tip is about debtor days. Debtor days are the number of days it takes you to get paid by your customers for the work that you've given them already or for the products that they've already taken from you. So my debtor days tip of the day is to use automated invoice reminder systems. Now, to have your reminders keep going out at regular routines after an invoice has gone out means that you don't have to follow up on every invoice yourself, which actually helps you in not getting overwhelmed by the number of invoices you might have going out. And also, many of the accounting software, online accounting software systems have automated invoice reminder systems built into them. So you can automate this really simply from your product like QuickBooks Online or Xero accounting software. You can actually get your invoices going out to remind people that they haven't paid them. Many of these systems allow you to put stronger and stronger messages into your actual invoice reminder. So the first one might go out with a very polite, I noticed you haven't paid this, can you please pay promptly? The one after that might be a little bit stronger terms, and the final one might actually be, if you don't pay this, we'll send it out to the debt collection agency. So you can really take a whole scale of automated invoice reminders. You may choose to interrupt in between going out with a really strong message. Give your customer a call. Ask them, is there something going on that I should be aware of? Remember, great customer service is key to securing the next transaction and the next transaction. So you don't want to put your customers offside, but equally you have the right to be paid for the goods and services you've already produced for them. So there's my tip of the day. Use automated invoice reminder systems.